Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing how to solve one of the derivations from the most recent homework. So we'll be looking at derivation 2.6 LRS 252. So we'll go ahead and say, show the conclusion. So first step is done. Second step, we want to check to see if we can make an assumption. In particular, can we make a conditional assumption? And the answer is that we can. Because we're trying to show a conditional, so we'll assume the antecedent. Okay. Now, if we just look at this, we think, well, are there any premises? No, there are no premises. We're not going to be able to bring anything else in, and that means the derivation is stuck because we can't apply our elimination rules. With line 2, we would do MTP if we could, if we had the negation of either disjunct, but we don't have anything else, so we can't use MTP. So that means the derivation is stuck. We can't box and cancel. We can't use our inference rules helpfully. And so we're going to need to do a subderivation. And you might just be in the habit of automatically doing a subderivation here anyway. You might think, well, whenever I assume CD, I'll go ahead and do the show consequent subderivation because, whenever I complete this, whenever you complete that derivation, the subderivation, then you can use CD on 3 to box and cancel line 1. Okay, so there's reason to do 4 no matter what, or 3 no matter what, even if you just think, okay, I do my show conclusion, assume CD, and then just automatically show the consequent because I'm trying to show a conditional. But even if you don't do that automatically, which is generally worthwhile, but even if you don't, here that's what we'll do because the derivation is stuck prior to doing that. Okay, so we have our new show line. Whenever we have a new show line, we want to check it to see if we can make an assumption. We can say assume CD. Okay, so now we have a new line, so we want to say, okay, can we get 2 and 4 to interact? Well, we look at 4 and we think, well, we can't do MTP with line 2 and line 4 because to do MTP with line 2, we need the negation of either disjunct. So we need either negation Q or negation P, and 4 is neither of those. But of course, we can turn 4 into negation P, and we'll then apply MTP to lines 2 and 5. That gives us 6, which is Q, which is the antecedent, or the consequent of line 3, and so we can apply CD to line 6. Doing so, we'll box and cancel line 3. Line 3, box and cancel, we can apply CD to line 3, which will box and cancel line 1. So there is derivation 2.6 LRS 252.